Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my DIY natural hair mask for massive hair growth. So I did do my big chop on February 28, 2020, y'all, which was 11 months ago, and my hair has grown so much. Whenever I wear my hair out, people are always super impressed by how much my hair has grown in so little time. So I wanted to share with you guys one of the masks that I use on a consistent basis to grow my hair out. So for this mask, I have 2 bananas. They're super ripe. I also have an aloe vera leaf. I will also be using my apple cider vinegar with the mother. I have here my extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and also honey. So I'm going to start by placing 2 bananas in the NutriBullet. I love using bananas in my hair. It's great for my hair and scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, vitamins, and minerals, which aids in manageability, shine, moisture, and hair growth. The next ingredient that I'll be using is aloe vera. Y'all already know that I love me some aloe vera. I use aloe vera on my skin as well as for my hair. I have several videos on my channel already using aloe vera, and I love to use aloe vera on my hair and scalp because it contains vitamins A, C, E, as well as vitamin B12 and folic acid. These vitamins are known to promote healthy cell growth, shiny hair, hair growth, as well as many other things. I'll also be adding 2 moisturizing oils to my mask. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of avocado oil and 3 teaspoons of olive oil. I love using these 2 oils on my hair because they penetrate my hair strands. Next, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of honey to my mask. I love using honey because it is a humectant, which is super great for moisture and shine. Last but not least, I'll be adding a capful of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar aids in balancing scalp's pH for optimal hair growth. So after adding everything, you guys, I am blending this in my NutriBullet. I blend this for over 3 minutes because I want to ensure that it is smooth and chunk free because I did not want any leftover banana stuck in my hair. So I've blended it and it is now super rich and creamy. So now it's time for me to apply the mask to my hair. I did shampoo and condition my hair before applying the mask.
Tell me what your name is. Tell me what you like and all your secrets. I just wanna go over the details. Let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your job, tell me things like how you hate to walk in dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Boy, but you got that something that just rocks my world. I can't help but feel like we are meant to be. The way you're talking to me, oh, oh. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it all out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop, or till we get kicked out. Oh.
Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out. Until we get kicked out.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season.
So now I'm going to sit underneath the hooded dryer for 30 minutes so all this goodness can penetrate into my hair.
Chasing blues away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me.
So it has been about 30 minutes and I wanted to show you guys how my hair looks. My hair is super soft, my definition is popping, and my hair is so long, you guys. I can't believe how much it has grown and how long it looks in its curly state.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me, yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to...
So I also wanted to come back and show you guys my hair after I rinsed it out. I only use water to rinse it out. As you can see, I have no banana or aloe residue in my hair. The only thing that's on my hair are those huge water droplets, as y'all can see. And as y'all know, that's because of low porosity problems. So I ended up twisting my hair up with Coolicious curl cream, and I used some sweet almond oil to seal. I did also oil my scalp with my DIY aloe vera oil so that my hair could air dry for my protective style, which you guys will see on Sunday. And that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.